Over here, you can see that I am in the edit page. And then if I were to go around and bring in the video right here, then you can see that an audio links with it. So this audio right here is a stereo audio. So how do I know that? Is if I were to right click and then go around over here onto the clip attributes, then over here under audio, you can see that it's a stereo audio right here with 2 channels. So what you can also do is you can go around and delete this, and you can go around and right click on the video right here. And let's say you want to set it as 2 mono audios instead of 1 single stereo audio. So you may also have 5-6 audio channels associated with a single clip. Let's say, for example, you have 5 microphones in a video camera, it's attached, and then it produces a video, and in that case it might have 5 different audio tracks associated with it. So if I were to right click and here in clip attributes here, instead of the stereo format, I'm just going to go around and say mono right here, and I'm going to go around and add, and I'm going to select mono, and for this is going to be the channel 2. So now it has 2 mono audio associated with this clip. And if I were to bring in this video clip now, you can see that there's 2 audio that comes up with it under the audio 1 and 2 layers right here. So here you can see that you can also do this. You can right click and then go to clip attributes and just delete out a mono audio right here, or simply go around over here and choose another thing as well. So let me just go around and delete this and press OK. And in this case, if I were to bring this in, only the selected channel right here gets attached with the video, as you can see. And if you don't want any audio associated with it, you can just go around and then delete this out right here. So let me just go around onto mono itself. I'm just going to go around and say mute and press OK. So in that case, what happens is that I get this clip right here, but it comes in mute. But if you don't want the audio anyways, what you can do is you can simply hold Alt on your keyboard and then select it and delete it out over there as well. So that is how you can go around and then bring in video clips and then only audios right here, or certain audio channels according to how you like, inside of Davinci Resolve editing page. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.